Hi everybody, hope everybody's doing well. It's Miss Freshwater. I'm here to show you how to log into Reflex Math. You can access Reflex Math from our school website under the Resource tab, or you can just simply type in Reflex Math under your browser. Once you're here, you're going to go all the way to the far right where it says Login. Then you're going to click on Student Login. Once it loads, you are going to type in your username. If you don't already know your username, your teacher will share it on your dojo page. Click Go. Select your class. Select your name. And then enter your password. After you enter in your password, you simply click Login. If you have any questions, please direct them to your teacher via the Dojo app.